Do your feet ever get hot while you're walking around in your waders, all stuffy in there, not very breathable, you know? Generally wearing a thick pair of socks underneath that. Well, I have what may be a solution to that issue. Stick around and find out about bottle stocks. These unique, durable socks are completely waterproof and comfortable enough for a day out on the water, but don't take my word for it. I'm gonna go put these socks to the test down in the stream there. Come on. Snow in the boots. That was our first test, getting out here, maintaining dry feet. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Okay. So they're pretty comfortable, actually, guys. They've got multiple layers to them. Seem to be holding up all right. They've got which sock is which labeled on there. Convenient for idiots like me. And yeah, so we're getting them submerged here. Putting the bottle stock socks to the test, guys. I can see these being really useful in a pair of waders, or if you're ice fishing for the day. Just try them over here. We're stepping in some snow with them. Give them another go in the current. All right, guys, let's see how these waterproof socks held up. Let's see if my feet are still dry. Whew. I'm not trying to show off my feet, guys. I swear I'm not a foot model, but my feet are completely dry. These socks were a total success. Make sure you check them out on Amazon. I will make sure to include a link below where you guys can get your own pair of bottle stock socks. All right, guys, back to our regularly scheduled fish programming. All right, my pants are not as waterproof as the socks. Whew. See if we can make it to the concrete without getting all this mud. Oh, we made it. Foot mark to prove it.